What's up guys, the news is coming from Realme that Realme is going to launch Realme X2 soon. Realme was expected to launch the Realme XT 730G variant in India soon, and so far the device was referred by the same name as its predecessor, which was launched with Qualcomm Snapdragon 712 chipset. However, Madhav Seth, CEO of the company, has now addressed the smartphone as Realme X2, which is similar to its Chinese counterpart that launched with the same name. According to the tweet by the senior executive, Realme X2 will arrive with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 730G chipset, which is an octa-core processor. Furthermore, the official Twitter handle of the CEO also gave out the other key information about the device. The Realme X2 will feature a 30-watt SuperVOOC, which is proprietary fast charging technology from the company. On the front, the device is confirmed to come with a large 32MP selfie camera. Currently, not much is known about the Indian version of the Realme X2, but if it is similar to the Chinese version, then a few speculation can be made. The Chinese X2 featured a 6.4-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display with a water drop style notch, and it comes with in-display fingerprint scanner as well. It sported Qualcomm Snapdragon 730G chipset paired with 6GB and 8GB of LPDDR4 RAM options. On the rear, it featured a quad camera setup that includes a 64MP primary Samsung GW1 sensor alongside a wide-angle lens, depth sensor and a macro lens. Similar to the Twitter reveal, Realme X2 also features a 32MP front camera, so both smartphones might be same handset but with a minor differences. However, since no official confirmation has been received, no concrete statements can be made. So these are all the things we know so far about the upcoming Realme X2 from Realme. If you like the video, please hit the like button and do share this video among your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.